Today we are making Italian baked beef polpettone. It serves 6 people and takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes from start to finish. Let us get this into the oven and make something amazing. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1 1/2 pounds of ground beef, the star of our polpettone. 1 cup of breadcrumbs, to add structure and tenderness. 1/2 cup of whole milk, to moisten the breadcrumbs. 2 large eggs, to bind the loaf. 3/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, for savory depth. 1 small onion, grated, for sweetness and moisture. 3 cloves of garlic, minced, for aromatic punch. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, for freshness. 1 cup of tomato passata, for a bright oven glaze. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, to grease the dish and brush the loaf. 2 teaspoons of fine salt, to season the mixture. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, for gentle heat. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, for a classic Italian note. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly oil a medium baking dish with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Soak 1 cup of breadcrumbs in 1/2 cup of whole milk for 5 minutes until softened. Add 1 1/2 pounds of ground beef to a large mixing bowl. Add the soaked breadcrumbs with all of the 1/2 cup of milk to the beef. Crack in 2 large eggs. Add 3/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan, 1 small grated onion, and 3 minced garlic cloves. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 2 teaspoons of fine salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Mix gently with clean hands until just combined. Do not overwork the meat. Shape the mixture into a compact loaf about 8 inches long and transfer it to the oiled baking dish. Brush the top with the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Cover the dish tightly with aluminum foil and bake for 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the foil and spoon 1 cup of tomato passata evenly over the top of the loaf. Return to the oven and bake uncovered for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, until the sauce thickens and the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Rest the polpettone for 10 minutes on the counter so the juices settle. Slice the loaf into even pieces using a gentle sawing motion. Plate the slices, spoon some of the tomato glaze from the dish over each piece, and serve warm. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Italian classic, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss a recipe.